It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna go up. There. Oh my goodness.
Oh man, I look like a hero though.
I just need someone in my
Are you alright with the fish stuff?
to handle all the selfish ways I spend my time without her. You're everything I want, but I can't deal with all your love.
Get the rest of this line off for you.
Saying I'm the one, but it's your actions that speak loud.